Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Abhijit More from SMA with us. Hello sir.
Hi.
Okay, so sir, firstly I would like to ask, can you tell us something about yourself and your company?
Yeah. So I'm Abhijit More. I am spearheading the SMA Solar India for the home and CNI segment. Like SMA is one of the pioneers into the solar industry. Like SMA is one of the oldest company. Like SMA was founded in 1981 by three engineers and a noble vision to create and to supply the renewable energy globally to the world. Today SMA is a global leader into the sustainable solutions, and we with more than 4,000 employees and ranked top 10 globally in terms of sustainable companies. Then we have around 1,700 patents across all the multiple segments. Then we have supplied about more than 150 gigawatt of inverters globally. So talking about India, like at India we started by supplying inverter very long back in 1996, and in 2010 we started our Indian subsidiary, and since then like we are operating the Indian market, and from India also we take care of all the Southeast Asia region, then Japan and South Korea. So like we are still in the Indian market, we have food to serve our customers. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, and sir, what about the product that you are displaying this year at REI?
Yeah, so this year like we are displaying two products. The one product is into CNI segment, and another product is into the utility segment. The CNI product is 110 kilowatt inverter, which is right now our most selling inverter in the Indian market. Like the product features are like the inverter, it offers around more than 50% of overloading on the DC side. Then it comes with a Sunclist connector, unlike the normal MC4 connectors, and then it has patented features like SMA shed fix technology, which is our patented technology, offering the maximum yield to the customers. And then like the inverter is having like the temperature, like the derating factor is above up to 50 degrees Celsius. There is no derating in that inverter. So talking about quality, the inverter is a perfect suitable for the Indian market, Indian market dynamics, the temperature and everything, and that's why the inverter is very successful in the Indian market. Talking about the second inverter, which is like the product which we are showcasing in the REI 2024 this year is Peak 3 inverter, which is 180 kilowatt, comes with a single MPPT inverter, same features like like 50% overloading, and ideally suitable for the utility scale solutions. So yeah, these are the two products which are showcasing in the REI this year, and both the products are very fantastic, and both the products are at par at quality.
Okay, so sir, as we are talking about products quality, can you please explain to our users and viewers why SMA is better than other companies and other inverters?
Yeah, very good question. So at SMA we rely on three core factors which set us apart from the market. Like the quality, trust, and service support. Talking about quality, we have the state-of-art manufacturing and testing facilities in Germany, which ensures like our inverters will perform reliably well in all kind of diverse environments, like we have installations in the desert regions of Arizona in USA, and we also have installation in the coldest regions like the climate of Swiss in the Alps. Talking about quality, we are the best, and talking about the trust, as SMA is in the Indian or the global markets in more than 4 decades, so we have that kind of experience of more than 4 decades, and in this competitive environment I think we have survived, and we thrived in this competitive environment and the main reason is only for our customer to serve our customers. And talking about the data privacy, like at SMA we consider data privacy, either consider we take data privacy seriously. So all our the servers they are in Germany, and it's safeguarded, like for the customers. And I know talking about service and support, our last pillar, which we call as so service support. We have invested significantly right now in service support. Nowadays, like there is a technology of artificial intelligence, so we have invested in that, and now we have come up with the WhatsApp chatbot. The customer, they can ping on WhatsApp and they will get the quick reply. So that's how fast SMA is. And apart from that, we have online service center. So we have created like we have created such paths so that the customer, they can reach the SMA resources promptly. So and also, like, we offer extended warranties up to 20-25 years to our customers, so they can rely on SMA. And so at SMA, where they like the customers, we offer the peace of mind. Once they choose SMA, they are like, yes, we get the peace of mind and reliability from SMA. Thank you.
Okay, so sir, can you give any key lesson or message to our users that about your journey?
About SMA journey, like,
Your SMA which can inspire them.
In general, I will talk about like here I see at ARIA, I see like a lot of like the existing customers where the existing visitors were there, but apart from that, very many new visitors were there, like a lot of college students were there in the here at the expo. So for all those college students or all those enthusiasts who want to explore about the solar, so solar is a wonderful field right now. Because of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, there is a scheme, a lot of development in the Indian market. Since the market, if you see 10 years back and now, the market has developed tremendously. So there is a lot of growth in the Indian markets, and like at the recently held COP28 summit in Dubai, which was like one of the biggest kind. So even like India, we have participated in that COP28, and the goals of that summit was like by 2030, like the certain countries, like they want to completely switch to renewables, like completely, I mean mostly like their resources, they should switch to renewables. So and we are part of that revolution. So yes, India is a very big market, very good market, lot of opportunity, lot of learnings over here. So yes, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for connecting with EQ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.